Galaxy 100.
All right, well, thank you guys so much for being here. You know, we love you guys so much. Yeah, well, we love New York so. Aww.
We do.
And we're gonna sing. What are we gonna sing first?
We're gonna sing Old School Love.
Yeah, we're gonna sing Old School Love. Okay. Yeah. So here we go. On the first day when you asked me if you could have my number in your phone, hoping you'd offer your jacket, you never did that. You didn't even try to walk me home. Does anybody miss that? Holding hands in the cinema, dreaming 'cause I'm missing you. I wish that we could take it back to how it was. Like, what happened to that old school love? Living through your letters, or was enough? What happened to that old school love? I can't keep up, I can't keep up. What's up with the new school rush? Guess I'm living in the past, I still like it like that. I can't keep up. Oh, what happened to that old school love? Oh, 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 la, oh, 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 la, oh, 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 oh. When you took me to the party, you told me it was gonna be a date, and you had the nerve to ask me if we could go steady. Now I'm sorry, but it's getting kinda late. Does anybody miss that? Having lunch in the park, hold my hand in the dark. I wish that we could take it back to how it was. Like, what happened to that old school love? Living through your letters, or was enough? What happened to that old school love? I can't keep up, I can't keep up. What's up with the new school rush? 'Cause I'm living in the past, I still like it like that. I can't keep up. Oh, what happened to that old school love? Oh, 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 la, oh, 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 la, oh, 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 oh. What happened to that old school love? You guys are great. Oh my gosh. You guys are all singing. It made my life. We're gonna do a new cover for you guys. How many of you guys have heard Payphone by Maroon 5? Anybody? Yeah? Yeah, I think I'm kind of obsessed. We're both kind of obsessed. And so, yeah, this is our cover of Payphone. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? And in our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned down the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever afters did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Oh, you turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. Don't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. know I said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. I'm wasting my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where at the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever afters did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of bait. One more stupid love song, I'll be safe. Now I'm at a payphone. Thank you. Thanks,
heart
guys.
that song.
Yeah, we heart that song. Heart that song.
Mega heart.
Mega heart that song. We're gonna do one more, and I'm sure you guys can guess what it is. Yeah. And obviously, you guys know the story. You know, we love it. You know, it's very important to us, and you know, hopefully important to you guys. Yeah. So.
And we want to thank you guys for making it what it is.
Yeah.
Because obviously, like, you guys are the reason it is what it is. So.
Yeah. The reason it's, like, everything. No, you guys. You guys are the ones who are, like, you know, I don't know. It means a lot.
Awesome.
It means a lot. So, here's Are You Happy Now?
She stood out in the crowd, was a little too loud, but that's why we love her. She's not like other girls, she could have conquered the world until you broke her down. Are you happy now that she's on the ground? Do you realize the words you say make bruises? Are you happy now that you brought her down? And she's thinking that she won't fit in, 'cause you said something's wrong with her. Are you happy now? He likes science, not sports. He knew what he stood for. He's not like you. You don't like that. 15 years down the road, he could be everything and you won't. But right now, you're breaking him down. Are you happy now that he's on the ground? And do you realize the words you say make bruises? Are you happy now that you brought him down? And he's thinking that he won't fit in, 'cause you said something's wrong with him. Are you happy now? I heard that it was done to you. Is that why you do what you do? Well, that's no excuse, no. If it felt like hell to you, then why'd you wanna him through? Oh, what had you? Are you happy now that you're on the ground? Dang it. I don't think so. Are you happy now that they're on the ground? And do you realize the words you say and bruises? Are you happy now that you brought them down? And they're thinking that they won't fit in, 'cause you said something's wrong with them. Are you happy now? Are you happy now?
Are you happy now?